Hi guys, it's Peter, welcome to the channel. And today I found it quite interesting item on the marketplace. It's a combo TV, all-in-one. Well, yeah, two or all-in-one or two-in-one. Anyway, it's a CRT TV with VHS DVD player. And it looks quite, well, after when I wipe it, it looks quite good. I just picked it up like half hour ago. It was so dusty, and I thought it will be nice to make a little video. You guys can see what it is, and it's quite interesting item. I mean, I do have a few CRT TVs already in my possession. Big one, well, 13-inch, 5-inch, and this one looks like probably like 10-inch or so. Let me grab it my tape. And actually it's a 9-inch TV. The brand is, that's a weird one, Sansui or whatever it's called. But the best part, which kind of did brought to my attention, that is on the back. Well, first of all, it has video and audio in and out, which back then was kind of rare, but because it has a DVD, CD, not DVD, VHS built in, I assume in and out video and audio, that's nice. But also it's a dual power source, AC and DC 12 volts. That's kind of interesting. Let's see, made in Thailand. That's from those days when it's not every product in a store made in China, like right now. Anything you buy is made in China. No, actually it's a Thailand, which is nice. And like I said, it's quite interesting. Also, it has a degauss. I believe it's a demagnetized tube, and it has a nice handle, which really good. And for 9-inch TV, CRT TV, it's kind of bulky, but it's not so bad, you know, especially the combo. Yeah, and the best part, even if you don't have a remote, you know, like these days, if you don't have a remote, TV pretty much non-functional, or some stuff you not can use it. Here, I mean, even without remote, volume, channels, power switch, play, stop, inject, and records. Oh, and there's no rewind buttons. And pretty much, yeah, you will need remote for sure for this little combo. I was about to say, if you don't have remote, you can still use it. All buttons here. No, actually, now I did recognize it, and there's not all buttons on the front fascia. And it's kind of nice. It did come with a remote, which I'm not really sure if the remote belonged to this guy, because on the TV it has it says Sansui. And on the remote, it doesn't say. Maybe it was on a back label. Holy crap, guys! It did come with battery. I'm wondering how old those batteries. And let's check to see if they've already leaking. No, actually, they looks fine. No corrosion. Even according to a guy, last time he was using that back in 2000s or so. Have to be a good quality battery. And it did come with cables. Pretty much a power cable, 2-pin, and cigarette lighter. Let's see if that's the same. I mean, if that's the right cable, because no, it is. Yep, it's me. Huh. Wow, that's good. That means anytime when I go for camping, I can bring this old beast to make people kind of nervous over there. Because these days Not many times you will see someone using a CRT TV or CRT monitor, especially when you're camping. Okay, guys, you know what? Let's plug it in and see if it works. And actually, you know what? Since these days the analog channels will not work, let me plug it. Okay, power. Wow, the battery does work on the remote. Let's see. Holy crap. Did you see that? When screen turns on for first time, it was kind of blue and then turned well, kind of greenish or bluish, whatever it was, and then become this color. Let's see if power button work. Wow. Now actually when I turn it off, turn it on, screen looks good. And before was different color and the line did go. Let's see if that degouger work. Oh yeah, you see when I push it, I don't know. I mean, if it's good to push it multiple times, probably yes. I mean, it will not hurt anything, but the screen looks nice. And actually, let me turn it off again. And CRT monitors, let me grab it a flashlight. You can tell if it has a lot of mileage just by shining on the monitor and kind of look at an angle. At least on my Macintosh SE computer, you will see burns all, I mean, pretty bad. This one looks like it has a low mileage. Let me grab it. Sega Genesis, and let's plug it in. That will be awesome to run it, Sega Genesis on an old CRT. It's like a time machine. We're going back 90s, guys. You don't have to have a DeLorean to go back 90s. What you need to have Sega Genesis CRT monitor, and we will go back like what, 30 years ago, 30 years back we're going. I hope we're not gonna go in a real deal. Let's see. Oh, let's turn it off system. And you see the AV out is nice to have, because if we use it, what's called, what that antenna exit, I forget what's called. Anyway, if we use that one, the quality of picture is gonna be horrible. In what for you need out? I'm wondering if you want to plug it another VCR and record it from the front one. No idea. I mean, in it's understandable if you want to use it a VCR to record it wherever you play it on Sega, on a Sega Genesis or any other consoles. Let's see. Let me grab some games. Okay, guys, moment of truth. Let's power it. Wow, the screen kinda, I don't know if it's normal what was doing. Did you see the guys? All kind colors. High buzzing sound. Oh, it does have a nice sound. Let me turn it down. Well, let's try it Sonic. And the picture actually looks pretty good for what it is. Especially you guys have to understand that's not a PC monitor or anything higher resolution. It's a standard TV. It's probably 320 by 240 or so, which is actually it's what Sega Genesis is. But since it's old CRT, and but so far it looks awesome. I mean, I kind of like it. It does brought me back. I feel like back in 90s. And actually, yeah. Let me reposition the camera, and you guys can see the picture quality. Look at that, guys. It looks awesome. And one thing is good. I don't see any, you know, like when you try to film it CRT monitor, it's got that ghost line going back and forth. I hope the camera is gonna pick it up the way I see it on the screen of camera, and it looks really awesome. Yeah. Well, that actually I call really good found, because I got other CRT monitors. I mean CRT TV, and I believe none of them picture quality I'm talking about, and I mean it's as good as this one. Of course, like I said, it's a AV connection, not RGB or something. I'm wondering if this small TV can be modified with RGB out, then it will be really sharp image, I assume. Well, guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.